Hello viewers, how are you? We hope you all are fine. So today we will discuss about room partition ideas and designs for your beautiful room. So these designs is one of the most trendy designs, and in this era I think everyone knows better about wall partition ideas and designs. And if we talk about the privacy is something we cannot afford to overlook, which is why partitions and rooms dividers play such a significant role in interior design today. But they do more than just offer privacy. The right kind of room partition ideas help to divide a space, create clean lines, and elevate, elevate the aesthetic of your home. So this is very great thing. Without using walls, we'll need something different. That is sleek room partitions. You can rely on these sleek room divider ideas to demarcate spaces in your home without cutting. So wall partitions designs is always everyone like these designs, and it's a very good idea to decorate your living room and your drawing room. And this is an ideal partition idea for a studio apartment where the entire home follows the open concept. Bedrooms need to be segregated from the rest of your house to maintain privacy. So wall partition is the best option, and this is very great option to segregate from the rest from your house. And very great designs. Partitions wall design, the designs are fixed to a spot. So we hope you enjoyed this video. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.